Hello, we have another microphone, wireless. Two different ones, plug and play, 20 meters, size radio, clear, highly sensitive. If you're more than 20 meters away, you're too far, but plugs into the bottom. All right, so let's open it up. Oh, okay, there's foam. Pull out the bag. Put that over there so you can see what. Pull out the bag. So, battery charging case. Ooh, look at that. So, this one's an iPhone charger. This one has these little pieces. This is just to keep from charging. There is a USB port at the bottom. Oh, green lights at the bottom. Let's open this up. I can't get these off. All right, there we go. This is tiny. About half the size of a penknife. Maybe I should use a quarter. Here, I got a quarter. So there's a quarter. About 2/4 tall. So now you charge it up. Lights up, greens. It's got a magnet for a lid. That's nice. Magnet, it can fit in your pocket. It's type C, which is always good. I don't think it's waterproof, but there's the RX, there's the transmitter. Oh, that looks pretty good, decent. All right, in here, I'm assuming that this is going to be the cable. Why do they put the cables in these little boxes? Put that up there. Why do they put the cables in these little boxes? Alright, pull it out, and you get two individual Type C cables. Two of them. That's crazy. And see what's in the box. In the box, there are instructions. There, these are the fold-out ones. Not much, but that's about it. And like I said, if you want to read these instructions, pause it, zoom in, read, have fun. Warranty, zip code, okay. All right.